This video will show you how to make Bưởi Vietnamese Pomelo salad. Here are the ingredients you'll need. The written recipe is in the description box and also on the blog. First, you need to cut 1 carrot into strips and set aside. Cut some red cabbage. You need about 2 cups and set aside. Chop 1 cup Vietnamese mint and set aside. In a pan, add in 2 tablespoons of olive oil and 1 tablespoon of minced garlic. Once it becomes slightly brown, remove from heat and set aside. In a different pan, add in a little bit of water, add in the shrimp, some minced garlic, and a pinch of kosher salt. Cook the shrimp and remove from heat. Then remove the shell and set aside. Mince 2 garlic cloves, 3 Thai chili peppers, squeeze in 1 whole lime, add in 2 tablespoons of fish sauce and sugar to taste. Mix well and set aside.